Want to make your browsing experience more personal and enjoyable? Today, I'm going to show you how to add a custom background image in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, your new tabs will reflect your own style and personality. First, open Microsoft Edge on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official Microsoft website and get it set up. Once you're in, we'll focus on customizing the new tab page. This is where your new background will appear. Open a new tab by pressing Ctrl plus T on your keyboard. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it to open the new tab page settings. Here, you'll find an option called Edit Background. Click on that and you'll see Upload Image. Select it and a file browser will pop up, allowing you to choose an image from your computer. Pick one that you love, maybe a calming landscape, a favorite memory, or a motivational graphic. Once you've selected your image, click Open and then hit Apply in the Settings panel. And just like that, your chosen image is now the background for every new tab you open in Edge. If you ever want to change, just repeat these steps and pick a new image. Customizing your browser is a small tweak that can make a big difference every time you surf the web. Enjoy your personalized new tabs and the fresh look you've added to Microsoft Edge.